Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring your account and client are current. The client only accepts theme changes when up to date. Once done, back up the Valorant/Riot config folder so you can restore defaults if needed. Now close both the game and the Riot client completely and relaunch the Riot client as an administrator. This guarantees the client applies any official theme switch. These are the essential prerequisites and your first actionable steps to prepare the only supported workflow. You'll navigate the Riot client settings to the Appearance or Client Themes pane because this is where official backgrounds are exposed. Choose the available event or season background you want and hit Apply. The client only accepts Riot-approved assets, which is why you must use this built-in selector. Once applied, the client downloads the required files. Let that complete. Don't interrupt the update. If the client reports a download, allow it to finish so the new main menu background installs cleanly. After the client finishes, relaunch Valorant and you should see the new main menu background. If it doesn't appear, make sure the client finished downloading assets. Then restore your backup if you made file changes and retry the apply step. If downloads repeatedly fail or themes are missing, sign out, update the client, and try again. If problems persist, contact Riot support because only they can fix broken official theme delivery. This is the single supported route.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.